Hi, I'm Jonathan with Bacon Plumbing. Today we're going to talk about how to change a standard fill valve for your everyday toilet. So the first thing you're going to look for is this valve on the left side. So if it seems to be failing and the float will not engage the water to turn off, then we're going to show you today how to change this valve without having to go underneath the toilet and take off the supply line. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you turn off the water at the valve on the wall. After you turn the water off, the first thing you'll want to do is flush the toilet, make sure all the water is out of the tank so you don't have any issues. So the next step after flushing the toilet would be actually removing the valve body. This is the part here. So this is a little lock clip. You'll want to make sure you pull back on that. And as soon as you pull back on that, that disengages the valve body. You can remove the valve body from this piece. This piece stays locked inside of the tank. And then once you have the new part, you basically just replace it the same way. Push the valve body back on, and then you can lock it with the clip there. So as soon as you get that done, the next step is to add the fill tube here. Once you attach that to the fill valve, then it also comes with another little clip that you can attach to the overflow tube. Once you get that done, then you'll want to turn the water back on with the valve on the wall, let the water fill up the tank, and then make sure you monitor where the water actually stops, the water level. So this little piece here, you can turn either way, counterclockwise or clockwise, and then you will be able to adjust the height level of the float. Now, once you're finished, you'll want to make sure that the water level is at least 1 inch below the overflow tube so that you don't have issues with the fill valve continuing to fill the toilet. So that's how you change out your fill valve. My name is Jonathan, and that's your bacon tip for the day.